Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Craftsman Snow Blower Belt is probably one of the most important components of your snow blower, ensuring smooth and efficient snow removal. A worn or damaged belt can leave you stranded in a snowdrift, so choosing the right replacement is crucial for keeping your driveway clear all winter long. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect Craftsman Snow Blower Belt for your machine, ensuring you're prepared for whatever winter throws your way. Number 5. Craftsman Snow Blower Belt. This is the perfect replacement belt for your Craftsman Snow Blower. It's designed to withstand the toughest winter conditions and keep your machine running smoothly. It is made from high-quality materials for superior durability. This ensures a long lifespan and resistance to stretching and breakage. This belt is specifically designed for Craftsman Snow Blower models 47846, 48624837, 48624838, 4862483881, 48624839, 48624839, 48624853, and 48624851. It's a precise fit for optimal performance. It offers high flexibility to prevent stretching and breakage. You'll experience less wear and tear, extending the life of your snow blower. Installation is quick and easy. Get back to clearing snow in no time. Don't let a broken belt slow you down this winter. Order your replacement belt today and keep your Craftsman Snow Blower running at peak performance. What we like. This belt is designed to withstand wear and tear, preventing stretching and breakage. If you need a durable belt that will last, this is the one for you. Its superior quality ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for demanding snow removal tasks. What people say. It's a nice heavy-duty belt as described. Number 4. Ajanta OEM Replacement Belt. Introducing the Ajanta Replacement Belt, a perfect fit for your snowblower. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. This high-quality belt is a direct replacement for the Craftsman 47846. Enjoy a seamless replacement process and get your snowblower back in action quickly. It's compatible with a wide range of Craftsman snowblower models. Check the product description to ensure compatibility with your machine. With precise dimensions of 5/8 inches width and 114 inches length, it guarantees a perfect fit and optimal performance. No more guesswork. Specifically designed as a deck belt, it provides reliable power transmission for your snowblower's deck, ensuring efficient snow clearing. This durable belt is proudly made in India, using high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Enjoy peace of mind with this reliable replacement. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your original equipment, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable operation. If you value a precise fit and consistent performance, this is the right choice. It's made to seamlessly integrate with your snow blower, providing trouble-free snow clearing. What people say. Belt appears to be of quality construction and was a perfect fit. The outrageous cost of adding a snowblower to a new machine keeps me babying this old 17 HP Craftsman. Seems to be a heavy-duty belt, fits tightly than the old one. The old one was coming off and off the pulleys. Number 3. Craftsman Snowblower Belt Set. This is the perfect replacement belt set for your snowblower. It includes 2 belts to ensure you're ready for the next snowstorm. It fits a wide range of snowblower models, including Craftsman, Murray, Sears, John Deere, and more. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your machine. One belt measures 12x 38 to 38 inches, and the other is 38 by 33 inches. These are the exact dimensions you need for a proper fit. This set includes belts with part numbers 579932MA and 585416. These are direct replacements for many common snowblower belts. Replacing your snowblower belts is easy. This set makes it simple to get your machine running smoothly again. Don't let a broken belt stop you from clearing your driveway. Order your replacement set now and be prepared for winter. What we like. This deal includes 2 belts, providing you with a spare for unexpected situations. If you need a cost-effective solution with multiple applications, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a backup and compatibility across various snowblower models. What people say. Replacement was relatively simple, and the belts were a perfect fit for my model. These belts fit my snowblower perfectly, and I was surprised how quickly they arrived. This belt set helped bring a 20-year-old Craftsman snowblower back to life. Number 2. Murray Craftsman Snowblower Belt. This is the perfect replacement for your worn-out snowblower belt. It's brand new and ready to get your snowblower working again. It fits a variety of snowblowers, including Murray and Craftsman models. Check the part number to ensure compatibility with your machine. This belt has a width of 3/8 inch and a length of 33 inches. It's designed for dual-stage snow throwers. It replaces several part numbers, including 579932, 579932MA, and others. Make sure to check your owner's manual for the correct part number. This belt is also compatible with Oregon, Prime Line, and Stens parts. This makes it a versatile option for many snowblower owners. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get back to clearing snow quickly. Consult your owner's manual for specific installation instructions. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your existing belt, ensuring easy installation and a perfect fit. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement that works perfectly, this is it. Its precise dimensions guarantee a smooth and efficient operation of your snow blower. What people say. Good qualitative perfect. Needed a new drive belt. This one worked perfect. Number 1. MTD Snow Blower Drive Belt. This is the perfect replacement drive belt for your snow blower. It's designed to fit a variety of models and will keep you moving through the snow all winter long. It's compatible with many popular brands, including Troy-Bilt, Yard Machines, Craftsman, Husky, Bollens, and MTD. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This belt measures 3/8 inch wide and 36 inches long. It's built to withstand the rigors of snow blowing. It's designed for 2-stage and 3-stage snow blowers with 277 cubic centimeters to 357 cubic centimeters engines, manufactured from 2008 onwards. This includes many popular Troy-Bilt Storm and Vortex models. Replacing your old belt is easy. This belt is a direct replacement for your old one, ensuring a quick and simple fix. Get back to clearing snow in no time. Available in a convenient 2-pack, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Never be caught unprepared for a winter storm again. What we like. This pack contains 2 belts, offering great value and ensuring you're prepared for any eventuality. If you need a reliable and affordable solution for various snow blower models, this is your best bet. Its compatibility with multiple brands makes it a versatile choice for many users. What people say. Easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.